Here we are on Van's Thunderbird. Not too shabby. Still dusty, a little dirty. It's been sitting a little while. I'm gonna change the oil, get it running, do a little tuning. Oil's draining. It's a little dark, but it's very clear, which is a good sign. Get the filter off next. Since it's finished, put a proper motorcraft on here. Alright, so getting ready to fire up. The oil's all done. See, it has an Edelbrock, a new-ish one. Then you get back here, there's no kick down. And then the throttle linkage. Oh boy. What in the hell is going on here? Oh my God. This is what happens when somebody doesn't know what they're doing. Does shit. Ugh. Choke completely removed. Wired open. See anything auxiliary pump wise yet. Don't know if we have fuel. It's kind of a mess. I mean, I've seen worse, but it's a bit of a mess. Wow. We're running.
What?
We're running.
Good.
Nope. It's alive. Happy Van. He's gonna go drive it.